Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews, and your girl edit fitness to the channel as well. So make sure y'all check that out, okay? But before we get in, if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna be right back.
Claps.
So today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. This is from their Butta lace collection, the human hair and premium fiber blend wet lace. It's in the mermaid wave 26 inches, and I got it in the color flamboyage gold, and this is what the stock card is looking like. And this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. It has human hair and premium hair fiber blend, full body movement, virtually undetectable HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear to ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full maximum density. And this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. And it does come in some specialty colors as well. And yes, y'all. Yes. So this unit was a plop and go. If you are familiar with my channel, you guys know that I love me some plop and goes. I cater to the lazy girl on this channel, okay? The lazy girl methods. All I did was that I went in with my Fenty Beauty foundation and a brush, and I went in and just darkened up the lace a little bit. I cut the lace, and then I went in along the hairline with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette. I don't know where it went. Y'all, it's a mess on my table right now. But I went in with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette in the darker color. I went in along the hairline. Yeah, simple and easy. And that was it. I didn't really feel like this unit came with a lot of baby hairs, honestly. But maybe that's just me. I do feel like the texture of this unit is, you know, it's not super silky, but it's more on the straighter end. I would have preferred if this unit had a little bit of a yucky texture to it, but it's cool, you know. It's a typical face framing, highlighted long hairstyle. It's cute and simple. I don't know, but I don't know. It's cute, but I don't love it. and I think it's the texture that's throwing me off, because realistically I feel like people would know this is a wig, you know. I like things to kind of like blend a little more with my texture, so you know it's not always known that I'm wearing a wig. But I do like the highlights. This unit is very, very pretty as far as the coloring. They always do an amazing job with their coloring. This unit does range between $50 to $60 online. I do have a link in the description box below, so make sure y'all check it out. But it does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It's big hit doable. I will say this unit is a little smaller as far as the cap size, but it's big hit doable. It doesn't tangle or shed, so I am feeling that. Minimal shedding, if any, and no tangling. I just took it out of the packaging. But yes, y'all, it's cute. It's a cute summer vibe, okay? This is like yacht party type vibes. I do like it. It does have a nice amount of thickness to it as well. It is nice and thick, so that's a plus. It will bring you some heat this summer on your neck, so just make sure you guys keep that in mind. Yeah, I like it. But overall, you guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. It's free to support, okay? Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.